Looks like Santa came already. He stuffed the stockings, brought some presents. We are all ready for Christmas 2012. Santa came? Do you think so? Think so? You think Santa came? Are those presents? Did Santa bring you presents? You say Merry Christmas? Alright. What do you think? What is all this? Is that a present for you? Should we open it? Come here. What is it? Should I open it?
It's a tablecloth.
What's in here? Oh! What did you guys get for Christmas? You like it? I think it was a yes. Merry Christmas, Lily. What am I saying? Do you guys like it? Alright, we're gonna open the rest of the presents tomorrow.
Mommy and Daddy are gonna go take a nap.
What is it? Which Baba is Addie's?
The darker one.
What is it, Lily? Oh my goodness! You lose your like that box first.
What did you get?
The biggest
The
one.
biggest one.
What is it, Lily? Is it dress-up clothes? Dress-up princess clothes?
Open it, Mommy. Open it.
Yeah, sure. Which one do you want to wear first? Lily, pick which one you want.
Open it, Mommy.
What is it? Are they roller skates? They're roller skates. You got roller skates. Cool, dude. Those are for Aunt Jessica. Let's put them on later. Why don't you open some more presents?
You're getting good at this.
Addie, come here. Adeline. Addie. What is that? What is that? Yeah, it's Busy Town. It's a matching game with all your favorite people. You think Santa got that for you? Is that cool? Come on.
Wow.
Look at it. And you want to open the present? Want to open it? Can I see what it is? Oh, we're opening one. What's in here? You got blocks. You like it? Yeah. Oh, do you see these big blocks you just opened? Holy moly! 140 pieces of Mega Blocks. Is that cool?
Did you notice everything we got them? Or everything that Santa got them this morning has over 100 pieces each.
Woohoo! Santa's a smart man. We can build castles. What's in there?
Is that yours too?
Yeah, that's all her pile. Santa portioned it out. Come on.
Santa's a good man.
Bless you. Can you girls look at mommy and smile? Go cheese. What is that, Lily? A bottle for who? Is that for your baby dolls? You can feed your baby a bottle? Do you want to give your baby a bottle? There you go. Do you want to give the baby juice or milk? I thought your baby's on your chair. On your chair. Look on your purple chair. On your chair, there's a baby doll. Yeah, okay, your juice.
That was cool. Hey, I'm still here.
I'm in no pictures, you'll be in no video. That's how it works. It's your bottles for your baby. Addie, you want to open something? Addie, you want to open this? Adeline. Adeline Mary. Oh, baby girl. Oh, baby girl. You like the babas? Open this one. This one's for Lily. This one says Adeline. Addie, yeah. Get?
Something else for Daddy to put together.
Nah, it ain't gonna be put together. What is it? picture. It's a bed for your babies.
All right.
Open it.
Daddy will open it.
How nice. Thanks, Mommy.
Oh, let's cry.
Oh, they're crying.
Now go play.
Oh, Addie, you can't go inside the carriage.
Yep. Adeline.
Addie, you can't go in there. Addie, your sister. You can't go in there. It's not for big girls. It's for baby dolls. Go look at Daddy. Where's Daddy? Can you look at your daddy? Show him your nice Christmas face. What's wrong? You know, this is for both of you, it said on the package. Santa gave it to both of you. You're welcome very much. Yeah, you're wearing a crown. Now you got your slippers on. Now I gotta put your dress on. Oh, this one even comes with a purse, this one. Here's your purse.
Thank you very much, Mommy. Thank you very much.
You're welcome very much. Look at you. Isn't she gorgeous?
Yeah.
Yeah, she is.
My fritz.
Yeah, that's your purse. Addie, did you want to dress up too?
My dress.
This is for you and Addie to share. Santa had both your names on it.
Oh, yes, son.
You like your new toy ad? Adeline.
Look at Mama.
She's watching the Yule log and pressing the button. She's happy. Adeline Mary.
You want to take it out?
I think that's going to be her favorite toy from Santa.
We did pretty good.
There's the princess playing trains. She's never going to take those outfits off. It's going to be great. Hi, Ad. Alan. Can you look at Mommy and smile once at the camera?
Yeah, we got a lot of cleaning up to do. We got